Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are showing you a massaging heated knee brace. So let's see. They got your manual here. So you got different vibration levels and heating levels. So this is what it looks like. Very nice looking. For vibration, right here you turn that on. For heat, you turn that on right here by pressing and holding. It is all velcroed, so it just easily wraps around your knee. Inside here, let's go ahead. You plug this in. Let's see here. Here we go. So plug it in just like this. And this gets plugged into a wall outlet then. And now, as you can see, it lights up, and then you press and hold. And red is high, white is medium, blue is low, I believe. Press and hold it again to power it off. Same with the vibration. Different vibration modes. I do want to point out that they provide you with a USB plug as well, so you can use a power bank, and that's what this little slot is for, is putting a power bank in here. Now we have a massive one, but just to show you that you don't have to use it, it can be wireless without having to connect to a grid. And now, as you can see, we're just connected with our power bank. So yes, it can be used with the power bank, and they supply you with the cable needed.